welcome to the Biswa Education. Today tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up Next.js into your web project. Right, first time you are come to the Next.js website, nextjs.org, and this is the first scene screen. Okay, the Next.js developed by the Verzi, and in here we have the start, the Next.js, and now I'm come to the documentation. Right, here is the starter documentation, and here we have the system recommends, and they required the newer Node.js module, or you can use the after 14 module. Right, any module you can use. And here is the automatic setup that we want. Here is the command npx create next app, and copy. If you not available this terminal, you can, in the top side we have the terminal, you will get the new terminal. Right, first I'm going to run the first command on my terminal. Yeah, when you enter, now they ask me what we named my project. We can say Biswa. No, if you are using TypeScript you can keep it the yes, but in my case no. Right, now you can see the some things proceed on this here, and it will generate us new folder. Right, now JS installed into my project. Now we need to run this through our browser. Right, here we have the to run the, we need to run the npm run dev. Here's the command npm run dev. It's not work, no problem, because the reason we are inside this file, we need to move into this folder, our main folder. Okay, now cd and dot dash blissful dash. Yeah, right, now we are inside this folder. Now we can run this npm command, npm run dev, npm run dev. Now you can see it will run on the localhost 3000. Now if you want to visit the website, you can copy this, or you can press Ctrl with. Now you can see here we will get the installed. We have successfully installed the Next.js. Right, in here, okay, so I'm come to the pages and index. Right, if you, okay, so you can play with this if you want, and you can change the stuff. Let's change into hello. Now you can see hello. Right, and now we are launched the Next.js, and thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. I hope you interesting this tutorial. If you want more tutorial related to the Next.js, and I will provide it in the future lessons. Okay, thank you for watching.